In this video, I will share 7 creative photo editing prompts for Gemini. So let's get started. First of all, open Gemini app or visit gemini.google.com and sign in using your Gmail account. Here you need to start a new chat, then click on Tools. Now select Create Image option. Now let's start with our prompt number 1, which is Studio Orange Background. To apply it on your image, simply select your image, then paste the following prompt I will provide in the video description. Hit enter and wait for a few seconds. Here you go. The edited image is now ready. You can simply download it by clicking the download icon. Now let's move to prompt number 2, which is black and white portrait. The process is same. Simply drag and drop your image, paste the following prompt and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. The result is ready. You can download and use it. Let's move to prompt number 3, which is comic style music energy. Simply upload your image and add the following prompt. Hit enter. Wait for a few seconds before the image is ready to download. Now let's move to prompt number 4, which is fashion poster. So repeat the process. Simply upload your image, paste the following prompt and hit enter. Here you go. The fashion poster is ready. Here, keep one thing in mind, that you can always edit the prompts to change the results. Such as in this example, we have the text make it happen. You can always update the text, like you can add your name instead to change it, or you can also change the background color by editing the prompt. Now it's time for prompt number 5, which is streetwear graffiti scene. We will upload the image, then paste the prompt and hit enter. Here you go. The streetwear graffiti scene is ready. Similarly, we will go for our prompt number 6, which is hairstyle change. Upload image, paste the prompt, hit enter. The result is ready. You can see the hairstyle has changed. Now finally, it's time for our prompt number 7, which is LinkedIn professional portrait. You can use any of your image to turn it into LinkedIn professional portrait by simply uploading your image and pasting the following prompt. You can see the image has been turned to a professional portrait with well suit. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more creative videos.